Tehillim 23. Mizmor David, a psalm by David. Adonai Ro'i, Adonai is my shepherd. Lo echsa, I shall not lack. In ot deshe yalbitzeni, in lush meadows he lays me down. Al mei menuchot yinahaleni, beside tranquil waters he leads me. Nafshi yeshovev, my soul he restores. Yancheni v'magelei tzedek, l'man shemo. He leads me on paths of righteousness for the sake of his name. Gam ki elech begeit zel mavet, even though I walk in the valley overshadowed by death. Lo ira ra, I will not fear evil. Ki ata imadi, for you are with me. Shivtecha umishantecha, your rod and your staff. Hema yinachamuni, they comfort me. Ta'aroch lefonai shulchan neged zorai, you prepare before me a table in view of my tormentors. Tishanta b'shemen roshi, you anointed with oil my head. Kosi revaya, my cup overflows. Ach tov v'chesed yodefuni kol yimei chayai. May only goodness and kindness pursue me all the days of my life. V'shavti beveit Adonai le'orach yamim, and I shall dwell in the house of Adonai for the length of days.